Hello and welcome. This is a preview of a new tutorial that we're going to be working on. In this new tutorial, we're going to step it up a little bit and add particles to the fluid simulation. I figured since I covered the very basics of blended fluid simulations, I would skip a few steps for now and make something a little more exciting. With that being said, this fluid simulation really increases baking time. It took about 2 hours to bake the scene with only a resolution of 110, and a little over 5 hours to render the scene with 80 samples. So with that being said, I would shy away from doing this on a laptop. Hopefully you're excited to see this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you, and we'll hope to see you soon.